this is the list of the advanced 3D features and tools. The Freeze feature is an advanced modeling tool available from the tool menu. Freeze has two applications. It allows for an alternative method for assembly modeling with multiple body parts, and it allows you to slice a given part into several sub-volumes, for example, sweepable volumes for hexameshing. Normally, a 3D solid feature operates like this. Create the bodies of the 3D feature, for example, the body or bodies of an extrude feature. 2. Merge the feature bodies with the existing model via Boolean operations. Add material, cut material, and imprint faces. The Freeze feature allows you to control the second step. It acts as a separator in the construction history as displayed in the tree outline. Any bodies created for feature before a freeze will become frozen. Frozen bodies are denoted by the ice cube icon next to the body under the bodies branch of the tree outline. All frozen bodies will be ignored when it comes to the add, cut, or imprint material operation of any features following the freeze. The solid features offer an additional Boolean operation, slice material. Active bodies in the slice operation will be frozen automatically in the case of a sliced material. The freeze separator doesn't hide bodies from the Boolean operation. Kindly like and subscribe to MR CFD channel and tap the bell to get new video updates. The Unfreeze feature activates a selected body or a group of frozen bodies and merges them with the active bodies in the model if applicable. To benefit from MR CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mrcfd.com and contact us via info@mrcfd.com.